Hi, kids. Did you know that cows enjoy being pet? They like to have the tops of their heads scratched, as it's an area they can't really reach. When you move to scratch a cow on its head or ears, move your hand slowly so the cow isn't startled by the quick movement over its head. You want to be as gentle as when you pet a cat. And always do this under the supervision of an adult, as cows have their own personalities and can be unpredictable sometimes. Okay, how about we try and draw a cow then? As usual, with most animals, I start with the shape of the head and then move on to the nose. A little line here to make her smile, and 2 very small circles for the holes in the nose. This way she can breathe. Let's do her cute little ears with an outside line and an inside line because she has 2 colors in her ears. We do the same on the other side for the second ear. And now we move on to the eyes, same as we always do. A perfect circle with a dot inside. And she has long lashes, so let's draw a couple of lines for that, and I do it nice and soft. And of course the eyebrows. Now, let's do an outer shape of the body, leaving spaces for the legs, just like that. And we move on to the front legs. It's pretty easy here because that cow's legs are pretty straight. The hind leg has a little more shape to it. For the last back leg, notice how I leave a space to draw the udders. Okay, a line at the bottom will separate the feet. And now the udders. We're just missing the tail, so let's draw that. With the white crayon, I do the inside. And with the gray crayon, I draw markings on her body. But you can really do any kind of markings you like, because all cows' markings are different, right? Then, with the pink crayon, I do the udders, the ears, and the nose. And finally, with the brown crayon, I color the tail and the feet. Perfect! There! A gorgeous cow! I will add this to my animal drawing collection. See you soon. Bye now.